Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah! Alright Jelly Beans, this is another whatnot unboxing. The person whose items I am unboxing today are J.S. Trout cars and coins. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah! My link down below, so you sign up under my link and get yourself $10 in-app credit. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah. And I'll put JS Trout's link down below. I'll be right back. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. This is the size box we're working with today. Still closed. I just stuck my hand in between the tape and the box, so I get a little head start. So I'm not here for a while. All right, everybody, let's get on with the show. Let's go. Alright, we got it. We got packing peanuts. No. No. 3 items we got here. J.S. Trout, cars, and coins. Alright. Oh, yeah. Alright. This is a hauler. Save us for last. Ooh. Alright, Jelly Beans. We have a 1988, as it says, GMC Sierra 1500 Custom. Yeah, 1988. Packing peanuts. It's a nice ride there. Thank you very much. I'm sorry. J.S. Trout. Alright, Jelly Beans. Here is my very first Fox Body Mustang, Ford Mustang GT. Oh yeah. 1988. Moving parts. Very nice car. I like this a lot. Excel, I guess that's what it's called. Pretty sweet. I guess Excel spark plugs, that's what they're called. Yeah, alright. Now let's get on with this big boy here. Oh, if you're wondering what those 2 empty shelves back there are, they are 2 new shelvings. 2 new shelves I have. One more is upstairs. I forgot to bring it down. I'll be bringing it down a little later. Alright, let's get with this one. Here is a Coca-Cola hauler. 1973 Chevy Cheyenne Super and a 1959 Chevy Corvette XP. Woo! That's friggin' sweet. I'm not a Corvette guy. It's more like a midlife crisis type of car. I'm not having a midlife crisis. But that Camaro, Corvette is pretty nice looking. I like the truck better though, to be honest with you. That's why I got it. Because I didn't know what was on the inside of the trailer. Oh yeah, so thank you very much. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, JS Trout. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace. Back and peanuts.